back to my channel for the second time ever, guys. I am at Hedonism 2, and thank you to my amazing sponsor that sponsored this video for it to be possible for me to make this video. Thank you so much. I sincerely appreciate it. Okay, so once I get checked in my room and everything, of course y'all know I'm gonna show y'all what's up. Yeah, I'm just wearing a simple crop and whatever, you know. We don't need to go all out for all of this, but thank you so much for the sponsor, and I'll definitely give you your sponsors worth, your sponsorships worth, whatever you call it. Hi guys, so I am officially checked in. I'm officially in my room and everything is going perfectly fine. So this is the key to my room, okay? The key is on my arm. And y'all, I'm just feeling hella excited because a lot has changed here at Hedo compared to the last time I've been here, which was years ago, maybe 4 or 5 years ago, or maybe 6 years ago. I can't quite remember. But yeah, this is my outfit. I just wear little jeans, you know, just a little something something, just some jeans and a cute little crop, and that's it for me. All right, remember guys, this is a sponsored video. My sponsors are always doing me justice. To say I am grateful just does not seem enough, but I'm grateful, I'm thankful, I'm happy, everything all in one. So guys, I'm just gonna turn the cam, show you guys my room, and guys, just enjoy this video. I hope to do different kinds of videos here, you know, use the time to make some really amazing, awesome videos. All right guys, so stay tuned guys. This of course is indeed your girl Tia McPherson. So this is what you see when you enter the room, which is gorgeous. You understand? This room is gorgeous. Okay, so we got complimentary Appleton Estate signature rum, and we also got Tito's handmade vodka, and we got champagne. I may say I got, but I'm just saying we, because you know, I'm taking you guys along with me. Okay, and complimentary mask, Hedo mask, and sanitizers. For some reason they thought it was my birthday, so that is there. And I got all these amazing treats, plus guys, another bottle of champagne, which is amazeballs. Like, that is amazing guys. Of course, this is my bed, right?
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Okay guys, so I did state earlier I'm going to leave the best for last, and that's exactly what I'm doing. So guys, follow me into the bathroom, okay? Follow me into the bathroom, guys. So first of all, let me hit the lights. Okay, that's what's up. So yeah, I just hit the lights and this is what we have going on. So that's the shower area right here. Oh, how the hell? Oh, so it's a swing door. And this is the shower area. Okay. And of course, your regular schmegular toilet, towels, toilet paper, and your amazing host, Tia McPherson here. Hello. All right, so this is the bathroom, y'all. Like, legit, y'all. Look at this beautiful bomb bathroom. Like, if I was thinking, I'd make my bathroom just like this, because it's amazing. I might just install a swing glass door. Yeah guys, so this is the bathroom and that's the view going in the bedroom from the bathroom. And of course guys, I'm going to show you guys the mirror in the ceiling. Let's go. Guys, the last view for today is the mirror in the ceiling. Like, how pretty cool is that? How pretty awesome is this, guys? Like, this is amazing. This is extremely amazing. I've enjoyed myself when I came here.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I
I'm just so happy. I've always wanted to come back here and I'm finally here, guys. So I'm just, to say I'm happy, to say I'm excited is just an understatement. Like, it's just awesome. Okay, so the main reason for this travel, I have a dress haul coming up. Okay guys, so this is the end of my video. Well, the intro to my video, because I will have my try on haul coming up pretty soon. That's the reason for this trip. Or like, I feel amazing. I know I'm going to meet some amazing people as well if I do, and they want to tune in on my channel. Most definitely I will bring them on here. I got robes, okay? I got robes as well. So, you know, sis will be taking a nice shower and then jumping into them robes feeling hella hot. Alright guys, so that's it. Of course guys, I'm going to make a vlog every day. I'm going to be here for 3 nights and I'm going to make a vlog every single night. Because, like, why waste it? Like, you have it, why waste it? Just use the opportunity to do what you gotta do. Alright, so that's it for now, guys. I'm guessing the next time you guys see me, I'll be all dolled up and whatever to do my dress haul. But yeah, that's it for now. This is indeed your girl Tia McPherson signing out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.